Hi guys, LORELYNF here, and today we're going to take a look at the new Palit GTX 1070Ti JetStream. I'm always fascinated with the Palit packaging. Inside the box, you'll find the power adapter, sticker, driver CD, manual, and the GPU. Specs-wise, it has a base clock of 1607MHz and 1683MHz boost clock, 8GB of GDDR5 memory, 2432 CUDA cores, 180 watts TDP, and priced at around $500. Like any other JetStream GPU, this is also beefy and a bit heavy, so GPU bracket will definitely help your board. Design-wise, I personally like the neutral colors, black, gray, and white. At the front, it uses a 100mm fans with turbo fan blade design, and beneath that is a massive heatsink. The build feels solid and it also has a back plate. It requires one 6-pin and one 8-pin power connector. It also has the mainstream RGB lighting. It has one DVI, one HDMI, and 3 DisplayPort. This uses a dual BIOS, so just in case you mess things up, you have a backup. Testing this GPU, I will be using AMD Ryzen 1600X, T4 16GB, and Transcend 230S SSD. Performance-wise, the price sits between 1070 and 1080, and I am amazed that it performed really close to 1080, which is a more expensive card. In modern games, it performed well and nice, not to mention that it is very easy to overclock this GPU. It is stable and runs really cool and quiet, reaching only 68 degrees Celsius. So here is the conclusion. The Palit GTX 1070Ti JetStream is good. It is bulky, so check your case clearance first. The overall performance and quality justifies the price. And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching!